Okay, yes, good afternoon each and everyone. So we'll be continuing our lecture this afternoon for my ITC 100 class. So continuation about the understanding computers. I'm in chapter 1, which is Introduction to World of Computers. Okay, if you are there, say present, please. Good afternoon, Giselle. Josie, rather. So please prepare your pen and paper. Pen and paper. Yeah, your pen and paper. So this afternoon, meron na talaga tayong activity. I mean, there's a Q&A. Just simple lang naman. Relation na sa ano kanina. So we will start at 3:10. As of the moment, let's just
Wish 107.
hear in music muna. While I'm checking your attendance first. day kay code man day akong gisend. So let me check ha. Ito pa na.
Wish exclusive on Wish 1075.
Ayan.
Hi Wishers! This is Gigi Delana. For more Wish-exclusive videos, click here,
Just click here.
click here,
Click here.
click here, click
So
here,
again,
click
to those
here,
Click here.
I could not na.
Click here. Click here.
Sige na lang.
Click here.
click here,
Click here.
click here,
Just click here.
click here.
Again, to
Subscribe.
those yeah, all of you please download na the app, the Lark. No? Kaya any moment I'll be inviting some of you that will join the live talaga, no? Si Rania lang andito. Rania, pakita naman daw. Gusto makita ng classmate mo. Rania, are you still there? Wait lang ah.
Mamaya na, sir. Sorry.
Wala namin hinahaw.
Sir, hindi ako marinig, sir.
Marinig ka man. Kaso nga lang, ang daming background music mo. Maingay. But anyways. Okay, meron pa talaga kumabot na. Okay, let's start na. So, again, good afternoon. So, this will be a continuation. Wait, nag-out na tuloy siya. This will be the continuation for our chapter 1, Introduction to the World of Computers. So, just this morning, we learned about the computers in your life. So, we discussed some of histories. So, how important computers nowadays, no? Then, what are the use of computers in our home, even in businesses, computers in education, and computers on the job. And we also discuss, what is computer and what does it do, no? And the computer process. Then lastly, we discuss about, we also have this data versus information. So what's the difference of data versus information? So nalaman natin yung mga chismosa pala, yun yung nagbibigay ng mislead. And this we also discussed this morning the different uh, generations of computers. So we only have three, but there are all five. No? Then lastly, we discuss about hardware. Okay. So again, hardware. What is hardware nga? So hardware is any tangible. Ano yung meaning? Keyboard. Okay. Anyways, so any tangible. I mean, kanang makita na to, then magunitan. So that's all the hardware. Then there are different types of hardware. So we have these the storage devices. Ano pa yun? The input. Those are the wait. Ayun, we call that one the five 5 computer operations. So natay input devices, processing devices, output devices, storage devices, and communication devices. So I hope na-recall ninyo kanina atong topic sa hardware. Now, we'll discussing software. If we have hardware, so dapat tayo software. So software, the programs or instructions used to tell the computer hardware what to do. Okay, again, the programs of instructions used to tell the computer hardware what to do. So, the computer, ang questions nito, will a computer will be function or magamit ba nato siya without software? Ha? Mo-under ba ang atong computer or gadgets without a software? Kasi sabi dito, ang definition niya is the programs or instructions used to tell the computer hardware what to do. Mira, I want to hear your voice. Say yes if mo-under ba ang computer without the software, and say no if dili mo-under ang computer without the software. The programs or instructions used to tell the computer hardware. Okay, Jusel, pwede na po mo siya. Pwede na ka di magtanaw, Jusel, sa live. No? Okay, nakasulod naman ka diri mismo dyan sa live meeting. Okay. So, ang nag-answer na kauna si Manaong Song. So, tagana ko point si Manaong Song. No? Kaya siya may una naka-answer. Of course, the answer is no. Okay? But, ano ha? Yes, ang answer talaga niya is no. Pero, base na po mo ingon na, there are types of computers na dili siya kailangan of software. But I think, is there any computers or devices pa ba nag-exist na walay software na purely lang siya? Purely hardware? Makatag ba mo example? Daw ako, let me see, let me think na. Ako rin po yung nakuha sa akong pangutana. Anyways, as of today's kasi, computers are really, ang tawag nito, we have high-tech na ba, no? So, advanced na kasi siya, no? So, yun ang sabi dito, that software programs or instruction is a step-by-step instructions that tells the computer hardware or the computer what to do a particular task, no? So, of course, kani mga keyboard, kani mga mga laptop, mga PC, so it will not really function without the software. Kasi ang OS, operating system, is ang software man. So, kung wala yung OS, di ba, di magamit ang atong laptop. Okay? I hope that's clear, no? So, system software, ayun, ito nga. Operating system starts up the computer and controls its operation. Okay? So, without OS, computer cannot function. So, yun na nga sabi ko. So, without OS, computers cannot function. Then, system software boots the computer and launches programs at the user's directions. And most use of GUI to interact with the user via icons, buttons, tiles, etc. Then we have a sample of system software. So we have Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, etc. Okay? So by the way, ang OS is a software. Pero na siya, ano tawag ito? A specific, which is, the system software. No? So naman tayo types of software. We have this application software or system software. So kaning OS, nabilong siya sa operating, ang OS nabilong sa ta system software. So kani mga system software mo ni kay mga sensitive kaayo, no? So we have example the Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and sa pa na other na OS. Then ito yung example. Bakihan ko nga daw para mas kita siya. Ayan. So we have Windows 8 interface. So ito. So are you using Windows 8 interface right now sa mga my computer? So may start button, start screen, tiles, charms, etc. So ito, nakalimutan ko kung anong Windows 8 ko kasi ang Windows 8 mangudi kay siya sa ako bubot, no? Di ba? Pag i-click mo ang start, mulabas tong different icon like kanina mo anhin dire. Then nato yung mga daghan icons na mga software na naka-install, mga documents, ayun. So as of the moment, I'm using Windows 10. No? So, kuan lang ta, Windows lang ta, kahit di pa ta ka-afford sa Mac. Ayan, so kanina, if we talk about software, system software, so natay ginatawag po na application software. Ito pala, application software performs specific task or application. So, sa example, we have creating letters, budget, etc. Managing inventory and customer databases. So, yun yung, sa may example, aning managing inventory and customer databases na application system. So, di ba, we have this kanang ginagamit sa ER mall, mga groceries, no? Then, editing photographs. So, like, for example, Adobe Lightroom, pwede po Adobe Photoshop. Then, scheduling appointments. Then, viewing web pages. So, viewing web pages, on sa may gamit. So, we have these browsers. So, these browsers are application software. Then, exchanging email, burning DVDs, and designing homes, and playing games. Again, these are example of application software which it performs specific tasks or application. Okay? Then, ito pa, examples of application software, we have the word processing programs, so which is the MS Microsoft Word, no? Or pwede po the Microsoft products, which is including na doon yung Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Then we have these multimedia programs, the web browsers, sabi ko, we have the Google Chrome, the Opera, ano pa yung mga dyan, the Safari, the Brave, the CryptoTab browser, and email programs. Now, let's talk about computer users and professionals. So, these are the one who uses the computers or the softwares. So, we have what we call computer users or end users. So, kita na. We call ourselves computer users or the end user. People who use computer to obtain information. Okay? Then we have these computer professional include programmers. So they are the one who write programs which computer use. So mga bagiita na to na programmers, sila nagahimo po sa mga programs, sa mga system na ginagamit sa depende sa user atong sa mga end user or sa mga client. Okay? Then napo tayo ginatawag na system analyst. So they are design computer system. Then computer operations personnel. So they manage the day-to-day active computer operations. So pwede ta dire mga IT. So of course, walay company na walay IT. I mean, walay company karon na walay IT na na-designate, no? So dapat yun, in each business or company, na yun sila yung mga IT specialists. Then we have, we have security specialists. They are the one who secure computers and networks against hackers. Ayan. Okay? I hope you got it. Some of the computer users and professionals. So unsa pa may other na mga trabaho. So we have unsa pa database administrator. We have this multimedia expert. So ako pag-abot ani computer professionals. So ako na ko sa multimedia. No, kay mao na akong forte. When we say forte, diha jud kahiyang. So karon pa lang pag-decide na mo kung asa man jud mo base kamo ang among future programmers, system analyst, no? Computer operations or security specialist. Okay? So, let's have a quick quiz. Ayan. If you can still recall. Which of the following was not first generation computer? Is it A, IBM PC, B, Univac, C, ENIAC? No, I said you answered that one. Di ba? Told you to prepare your pen and paper. Diyan yung isulat kasi you'll be submitting it again. O huwag kayo mag-answer sa comment section. Ano ba yan sila? Oy, di ba? Ang sabi ko, prepare your pen and paper. Okay, number 2. True or false? A window display when the computer needs more information from the user is called a dialog box. Well, anyways, I'm not sure if you are right. No? Kitabunan mo na ako answer. Okay, again, number 2. Write down your answer. Or, yeah, pwede man o diretso mo sa canvas mamaya, no? Pero it would be nice talaga if my pen kayo paper para masatisfied ko na nagapaminaw jud mo. Again, true or false, a window display when the computer needs more information from the user is called a dialog box. Number 3, speakers are an example of blank device. Is it a or an? Again, speakers, an example of blank device. Okay, let me know if you are done. Say yes para maglipat na tayo. So, napatay follow-up questions. And yes, Giselle and mag-answer din kayo. Gipan-delete ng answer. Okay. Sorry, sir. Okay, ayun pag sorry. Good. Okay, I think all of you are done kasi you answer naman. Matagal din siya. Okay, moving on. Computers to fit every need. So, we have 6 basic categories of computers. Ayan. So, we have 6 basic categories of computers. First, we have embedded computers, mobile devices, personal computers, servers, mainframe computers, and supercomputers. Di ko to nabasa ha. Okay? Now, wala man na, dili makita, Emeline, oy. So, among these 6 basic categories, which one is the most expensive? Again, among of these 6 basic categories of computer, which one is the most expensive? Is it embedded computers, mobile devices, personal computers, servers, mainframe computers, or supercomputers? Isulat ha, isulat sa papel. Dili answer. Kung nakinig lang talaga kayo ng maigi, of course, alam niyo na kung saan ilagay yung answers. No? Like kanina, of course, nag-ask man ako, oh, nanapod, si Aljur ba? Wa dyan na minaw si Aljur. Aljur, again, write your answer sa papel. Then, mamaya kasi you'll be, capture that one, no? Take a photo or diba? Or i-scan, then you'll be submitting that one on the canvas. Ayan, okay, na-erase na ni Aljur. Okay, moving on. So, for a while lang ha, kasi importante itong message ni ma'am. Later na lang siya kay klase pa. Okay. Okay, what is this embedded computer? So, embedded computers embedded into a product and designed to perform specific tasks or functions for that product. Again, embedded computers are embedded into a product and designed to perform specific tasks or functions for that product. So it cannot be used as general purpose computers. So nandiyan siya specific task, no? Then often embedded into household appliances, thermostats, sewing machines, treadmills, answering machines, or cars. No? So again, kani mga embedded computers, dili jud ni siya for general purpose. Nandiyan siya specific task. Then kani mga embedded na computers, ginagawa ni siya i-combine para maka-create tag isa ka product or sabi niya na functions for that product. Murag na isa ka product na kailangan ni siyang embedded computers para mo function jud siya as one. No? Kaya kung wala ni siyang mga embedded computers, dili siya mo function. I mean, dili masatisfy ang function sa isa ka product. That's why we are using these embedded computers. No? So, napun tayo subject aning embedded system yata to subject sa higher years ninyo. Okay? Then, enjoy po kayo ni. Kaso nga lang, gasto, kasi magpalit man tayo ng mga klase-klase na embedded na computers, no? Then, Trendbox. Ayan. Uy, naman I have these tiny PCs can look like a USB flash drive or small circuit board. So typically connect your TV to the internet to display web content. Some are full computers. So yan, Chromecast. Sus, bagura jud ko. Bagura na ako gipahiram kay ate akong Chromecast. Wala. Sayang. Actually, I have this Chromecast pero wala po na ako siya nagamit kasi nga ilalagay mo lang siya kasi sa sa TV ba, ipaslak mo siya, no? And it has a USB type. Then ayun, kung ang imong TV is not a smart TV, so pwede mo na siya, gyapon siya projector, no? Kaya ang imong cellphone, i-connect man nimo sa Chromecast, then mo flash po siya sa TV. Tapos kailangan siya naka-HDMI mode. So, sayang tong Chromecast. But anyways, then we have these mobile devices. Of course, this is the commonly used natin, no? We have the mobile devices, a very small device with some type of built-in computing or internet capability. So, typically has a small screen and keyboard. So examples are we have the smartphones, the one that we are using. Then handheld gaming devices. Meron ka ba nito? Then portable digital media players. And we have also these media tablets. Okay? So, ayan, kita naman sa picture, no? We have these smartphones and media tablets. Then we have also these personal computers or the PCs. So kung sa una kato late 1940s, so ang computer dagko ang when it comes sa size, no, tag duha ka room, ang iyang kuan pod, ang iyang price, it's so expensive, but now affordable na jud yung PC. Pero di gyapon ta ka-afford kay usahay wala pa tay budget kasi it will cost ano man 15,000 or more. So personal computers PC are small computer designed to be used by one person at a time. So also called a microcomputer, available in different sizes and shapes. So desktop computers or on or next to a desk, a tower case, desktop case, or all in one. So PC or Macintosh and not portable. So we have portable computers. So portable computers designed to be carried around easily. So mo ni mga laptop, no? So fully functional computers. So kung si personal computers na jud siya naglahi ang iyang system box and ang iyang monitor, while these portable computers na built-in siya as one. So mo ni mga laptops. So fully functional computers. So these are the notebook or laptop computers typically used as a clamshell design. So when we say clamshell kato, taklubo, no? Diba siya clamshell? Ayan. So, baby shark, baby shark dudu. So, tablet computers usually use a digital pen or stylus or touch screen. So, no physical keyboard can use on screen or a touch keyboard. Then hybrid notebook, tablet computers. Then we also have kung natay laptop, naputay netbooks. They are smaller and have more limited features than conventional notebooks or the laptop. No? So basin sa inyo nahigagamit ng netbook. For now, okay pa siya, no? Kasi nga, dili pa kay siya mga bigati na software. Pero up to higher years ninyo, talagang we really need ano na dyan, no? Laptop or laptop kasi madaldal sa school. So pag-ipunan puhon, hopefully makapalit ta. Then yes, these are the sample of portable computers. So we have the notebook, tablets, and hybrid notebook tablets. When we say hybrid, this is the combination of the two. So pwede siya mahimo lang laptop, so pwede po siya mahimo tablets. So pag tablets ka kasi touchscreen na yung screen nimo, di ba? Ayan. So pwede na nimo dili gamiton pud ang keyboard. So touchscreen lang jud ka. Pero ang kuan lang jud sa touchscreen, no, sa mga laptop na touchscreen, usahay kay masira na ang screen, then medyo tendency. Yes, ako ba tong laptop o notebook na touch? Ako din yung laptop. Ang pinakamauna man po na ako, I have my netbook, then laptop. Yun, nasira ang touchscreen. Ay, di man nasira ang touchscreen. Iyan ang lighting ganda ito. Then I have my Dell and morning akong latest ang Omen. So ayun, nasira na naman. Di nasira yung battery niya. Dili na mo charge ba. Then we have this thin client and internet appliances. So thin client designed to utilize a network for much of its processing, lower cost, increased security, and easier maintenance, limited or no local storage, not able to function as a computer if network is down. Then we have this internet appliance, specialized network computer designed for internet access. Some use apps to deliver news, sports scores, weather, music, and other web-based information. Now, inside the industry box, so natay ginatawag na tech clothing. Allows you to carry multiple devices safely. Ayan. Can use device while they are being worn. Make airport checkpoint easier. So makakita mo ani nagsuot, di ba? Usually brown, ano yun na siya, no, brown coat, tapos daghan kay bulsa, no? So, sa mga yeah, I'm not sure kung yan, ba, responder. So, ayan na siya example. So, mali siyang regular appearance. Then, pag X-ray view, ayan, daka na kayo. Pati tubig, may tubig, susi, ang cola, no? Saka cellphone. So, we call that one as the tech clothing. Now, let's go to servers. Ayan. So, a medium-sized computer used to host programs and data for a small network. So, sometimes referred to as a mini computer. Users connect via a network with a computer, thin client, or dumb terminal. Virtualization, creating virtual rather than actual environments, often used to share a server for increased efficiency. Okay? So we are using the users connects to the server using a computer, thin client. Ayan. So usually ang server, diyan tanan ang iyang system, no, ang iyang OS. So pwede po diya i-save tanan files while we are having many client, no. Like example, daghan tay laptop that isa ra atong server. So sensitive kay ni ang server kay kung masira ni of course dili ta kagamit, dili na to ma-retrieve ang atong data. So like karon sa sa isip, no. Kasi ang balita sa isip daw is ang server kay puno na kay siya. Murag na ta sa limit. That's why murag naghinay-hinay na pud hinuon sa atong ITSO head, no, na i-back up ang mga files. Then mainframes computers. So ang mainframe computer, powerful computer used by many large organizations to manage large amounts of centralized data. So standard choice for hospitals, universities, large businesses, banks, governments, offices. No, because ano naman siya, large amount of data naman, 'di ba? Like for example, kaning hospital. So pila man ka buok ang gina-admit. So day to day na ay gina-admit tapos gina-release. So na ay updating sa data, no? Dili man na nila gina-delete. Magkadungag noon, no? Especially kaning universities, mga schools para sa tua. So, I'm not so sure kung pila ka buok first year karon. I think na daw sa almost 7,000. Hindi ko sure ha. Pero yun yung balita ko. No? Almost 7,000 ang first year natin ngayon. Then large businesses, and sa large businesses, maybe this radio stations, isa pa, of course, yung mall, no? Banks, of course, banks are very crucial, no? Then government offices, located in climate-controlled data centers and connected to the rest of company computers via a network, no? So like sa server gyapon, no? Pero mas dako lang jud yung capacity sa mainframe. So large, more expensive and more powerful than servers ayun. So mas mahal ning mainframe, then mas dako siya capacity and usually operate 24 hours a day. Kumuni kaibahan sa server, no? Also called high-end servers or enterprise class servers. Okay? So this is the sample of mainframes. Ayan. So as you can see, ayan, ayan ni siya kadagko, no? So actually I think Facebook, no? Facebook are using mainframes. Yeah, parang they have this kasi data warehouses. If you could search it sa YouTube, kina mga topic na data warehouses, labi na Facebook. Ayan, everyday, I'm not sure lang ha, pero yan tanawan ako to na everyday palit yun og server or mainframe ang Facebook before, no? Kasi daghan kayo data jud nagasulod, nagalabas. Pero mas daghan jud naga-in na mga data. So mainframes are used to perform large processing tasks for businesses. And we also have the most powerful naman dahil ni abi na ko wala. Sir, ana si John Miguel ubatan awon na lang daw niya balik kini nga live kaya wala daw siya signal po. Ay patay. Ilaban lang ta sa signal kasi ayaw lang jud kat-kat og kahoy ha. So next time talaga pag alam niyo na may tayo klase, maghanap talaga tayo ng area na may signal, okay? Especially this time na we need to pa 'di ba? Maghabol pa ta sa klase. So don't you worry mga next month after prelim or midterm. Yan. Puros na pud activity lagi. Ang problema na pud makapasa pud kaya basi daghan na pud rason. So anyways, don't worry about that one. So laban lang ta. So again, supercomputers are the fastest, most expensive. Ayan, basi na uban diya gi-crash out na nila yung answer ha. And most powerful type of computer. Generally, run one program at a time as fast as possible. Can cost several $million. Oh, asa ka na, several $million. So, dili jud ay million lang. So, nasa 1 plus. Tend to be very large and contain a large numbers of CPUs. Titan is one of the fastest computers in the world. Unsay Titan sa China ba ni Japan? Dili ko kakuan. Para sa ako nahibalaan karon is the fastest supercomputers is sa China eh. Na it can process billions naman yata to. Milliseconds or per seconds. Yung ma-process na data. Grabe nakapaspas no. Ambot yun sa niya na. Then, ayan, ayan. So, the Titan supercomputers are used for specialized situations in which immense processing speed is required. Daw, wala man siya itatak na China or something, Pero sa akong pagkabalot, nandiyo to sa China ang pinakapaspas for now, or Japan. Well, Japan has the fastest speed sa internet, no? Demand ka ni abot na sila 1 tera. Yes, another quick quiz. Yan. Uy, natin itong answer. Nakita naman. Wait lang. Stop sharing ko muna. Ano, wa man ni natabunan. Ala, makita nila. Ah, sige lang sila si JL. Ayaw mo sa muk JL ha. JLN kita ni Rana. Asa naman itong pang ito? Itabunan naman ni kaganina. Ano nakita naman po ni Ron?
Ompod may kita, sir.
Pwede ra i-review. Sige lang. Okay, share screen na. Nagpabunan man to man. Ay, katuday itong last quiz. Nawa pa dyan ito na human. No? Sige lang. Kapit lang. Ay, katuday itong last quiz. Okay, prepare your pen and paper please because we have another quiz and share screen ko. Ayan. A tablet PC is an example of A. Desktop computer, B. Portable PC, C. Internet appliance. Next, true or false? The terms mainframe computer and supercomputer are interchangeable. Both refer to the largest, most powerful computers. Again, true or false? The terms mainframe computer and supercomputers are interchangeable. Both refer to the largest and most powerful computers. Sorry, file ko. Picturean ko. Okay, number 3, a smartphone is an example of a blank. Again, a smartphone is an example of blank. Ay, nagkatawa dyan mali. Nagbaha dyan ang imong kwan. Sir, on and off ako signal, dili kay ko kasunod. So again, may problem sa signal. I already said that one sa orientation, di ba? Dapat talaga maghanap kayo na may signal. No? Sige lang. Laban lang dyan ng signal. Kung abot rin na si dito, wala na tayo problema. Okay, moving on. So, we proceed now to computer networks and the internet. So, computer network, a collection of hardware and other devices that are connected together. Okay? So, users can share hardware, software, and data. Users can communicate with each other. Then, network servers manage resources on a network. Kuha. The computer networks exist in many sizes and types. So, some are on the home networks. Ayan, like dito sa amin. No, we have router. No? Then, school and small office networks. Ayan, the school, specialized enrollment. Then, we have also large corporate. We have also these public wireless networks. Sama sa eskwelahan, nandiyan tayo public Wi-Fi. And mobile telephone networks. So, computer networks and the internet. So, this is a figure 1 to 10, 1.2 example of a computer network. So, again, computer network is the interconnection of one device to another. No? The interconnectivity. Okay? So, pwede tayo mag-share printer, na to PC. So, pwede, again, sabi niya, pwede ma-share ang hardware, pwede po ma-share ang data. Okay? So, ayan, makita natin Betis PC. So, ma-access po ni Kuan sa network server. Then, na kay Tom's PC. Ayan. So, natay on network, shall we say, yung kanina explain ko na may server, then maraming computers. No? Kanang sa internet cafe, that's a network. So what are the internet and the World Wide Web? So the internet is the largest, most well-known computer network in the world. So individuals connect using an internet service provider or the ISP. So World Wide Web, one resource, a vast collection of web pages available through the internet. So mo na kaiban ha? So websites contain web pages stored on web servers. So viewed using a web browser, example, we have the Internet Explorer, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Opera, etc. So offers a wide variety of information. So ito. So accessing a network or the internet. So paano ba mag-access or gamitin itong internet? So need a modem or network adapter to connect. Some networks require a username and password. So internet connections can be a direct, always-on connection or dial-up connections. So internet addresses are used to access resources on the internet. So natay ginatawag na the IP or the Internet Protocol address. So numeric address that identifies computers, no? So matag ano na to, no? Matag gamit sa sa PC or computer, nandiyan na siya specific na IP address. Tingnan na pag-track sa mga hackers, no? So, careful jud na. So, again, IP addresses are numeric and unique. So, natay ginatawag na domain names. So, corresponds to IP address. Then, top-level domains or TLDs identifies type of organization or its locations. Ito. So, ito yung original TLDs. So, TLDs are the top-level domains. So, we have this .com. So, asa siya gamit? So, commercial businesses, .edu sa education, .gov, of course, it's government, and .in.mil.net.org. Then, ano tayo mga bago na TLDs or top-level domains? So, we have also the Aero, Biz, FR, Info, Jobs. Ayan. So, ang mga intended niya na use, makibasa na lang. Okay? Then, natin yung ginatawag na Uniform Resource Locators or we call the URL. Asa makita ni URL? Of course, kading always na ako ginaingon sa inyo na you paste the URL, no? Copy it on the address bar. So, asa man ang address bar, di ba? Diri sa taas. On the address bar. Then, kani is the link or the URL niya. So, protocol or standard being used uniquely identifies as a web page, including protocol or standard being used, web server hosting the page, names of folders in which the web page is filed, stored, and web page file names. So, Uniform Resource Locator, so we have this protocol or the Hypertext Transfer Protocol or the HTTP is typically used to display web pages, and HTTPS is used for secure web pages. So, ayan, kung mag-visit mong isa ka site, kung once HTTPS sa katapusan, so that is a secured. Like for example, Facebook, Google, no, makita man ninyo na sa HTTP niya or the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. No? Pag nag-IS, that is secured. So, okay siya gamiton. Or safe siya na website. So, this, ako din mag-zoom ito. Ayan. So, HTTPS, these are the parts of a address or the URL, no? Or the, So, HTTPS or web page URL usually begin with HTTP for non-secure web pages or HTTPS for secure web pages. Then, Twitter.com is this part of the URL identifies the web server hosting the web page. Okay? Then, nasa /jobs. So, next comes the folders in which the web page is stored if necessary. Okay? So, for example, twitter.com/profile. So, makita na nimo ang kaning profile is a folder kung asa na dito nakastore ang data sa imong profile. No? Then, napuntay, kaning index.html is, this is the web page document that is to be retrieved and displayed. Yeah? Ito profile.index.html. Okay? Now we go to the email address. So email address consists of username, an identifying name. So the @ symbol, domain name for the computer that will be handling the person's email or mail server. So pronouncing internet addresses. Ayan. Type of address, domain name, Berkeley, sample address is berkeley.edu, so education. So, pag-pronounce ana daw is berkeley.edu. O, sige, URL or microsoft.com/windows/ie/default. So, .asp. So, ang pagbasa karon is microsoft.com/windows/ie/default.asp. So, tama ko. Then, sa email address, president@whitehouse.gov daw. President@whitehouse.gov. So, ang ihana pagbasa sa URL. Okay? We still have napatay gamay na lang unta na pages pero it's time already. So, we will continue this one again Monday. Ay, not Monday. Yes. Yeah, walang pasok pala sa ano no. This Friday is a local special non-working holiday kasi it's town fiesta sa Nicolas de Tolentino. So please update na lang tayo sa community kung ano yung ipagawa ko, no? And especially nagpa-groupings ba ko sa inyo, ha? Nagpa-groupings ba ko sa ITC 100?
Wala pa po, sir.
Yeah. Tapos naraman na ni sila, Joseloy. Tagbaw pa basa dito. Wala pa dahil, no? Okay. So, okay, I would like to ask if, ay, nababay klase after, ani? Takwa, napa? Alas 4? Ay, wala pa yung
None
thank you
so
and
far,
goodbye.
sir.
Wala? Okay. Pag nag-una-una ka, anak Chris, wala pa ko na goodbye. Um, ano na lang, I would like to ask, say yes if kung I'll be the one to make the groupings, and say no if you will be the one to make the groupings. Sige daw. Say mo, Giselle.
Ikaw lang, sir. Para fair.
Kinsa kayo ng isa? Ay, pakita si sa kaya apelyido, Giselle Ligarda,
Verda, sir.
o kinsa ng isa, di ko na ako makita sa kung, pwede rin sa YouTube makita. Pero malibog ko. Si Alegria. Yeah. Para di man ba ako makita doon.
I-try ko mag-re-enter, sir.
Sige ra, ay dili, okay raman. And dili ba, lahi man ko diri sa YouTube na screen, lahi po sa ako adyo.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Ay, nagay na yung chat. Wait lang po. Sorry, karon pa ko nakabasa. Okay, so ikaw ra sir, kay di pa mi kaila nila. Haha. Kung ano, di pa man mo kaila. Ay, tama na yun, no? Wala din pala ako. You wait pala. You wait, I'll be posting, no, the introduction, no, the introduce yourself. Maybe tomorrow or Friday na lang para makita ninyo, para mailhan ninyo na inyong mga classmates. Pero nag-ila-ila naman yata mo sa Pika section, no, eh. Pero gusto i-post po gyapon ako because I want to hear your expectations, no? And yeah. Dapat no. Kita man na gyapon nag-no. Gusto jud nila sila jud. Ayan, mas daghay yes. So okay, I'll be the one to choose your group. Ako na gani ay nag-no pag yun ni si Prince. Basta delayed lang ni. Okay? So again, I will be I'll try to open again the introduce yourself. 'Di ba murag kwan siya? Wait. Ay makita. Stop sharing ko na lang. Ayan, so nakita ni jud mo. Wait. Wala man day mo yung klase, no? Ay, saglit lang. Saglit lang to. Sample. Ang introduce yourself na close na ba?
Yes, sir. O parang wala na po siya doon sa canvas. Nandoon na po siya sa to-do list lang po.
Okay. I think daghan gyapon ang wala ka pa sa So daghan pa wala ka pa sa actually daw there are only Sir, about atong sa introduce yourself, naalagi uban instructions sa canvas nimo gi-send nga wala nimo hatagi og apil sa una nimo gi-send. Sige lang, good. Jessa, basta importante nakapasa ka. Ang tanong ko, Jessa, nakapasa ba ka? Ayan, daghan pa dyan wala kapasa. So, scorean sa nako ni I'll be scoring this one, no? Ala, balili, daghan kay kagihimo dire na account nimo na. Kindly, kaning ano bitaw, kaning nagduha ka account, please try to add in your name final na word para that will be your final na account so that I could remove the old one, no? Unless kaning uban na daghan okay ra ning uban pero si Balili so far si Balili daghan kay siya account diri, si Cuervo dalawa. Special mention ko ha para ano si Flores, si Galagar, daghana uy si Gayola, Hapinan, and mala si Morete, si Tagaok na maglagot na jud ko ani napadyoy ang noon na samot na ning si ang noon ako jud ni Iki. 'Di ba I told you to remember your username and your password. 'Di ba? Maybe wala ka nag-attend sa orientation, that's why you have this multiple account. Again, para to solve this one, rename your account or name dito sa ano, then put a final. No, after sa imong name dash final para makita jud nako. Okay? So I'll be giving chances sa uban na to submit their introduce yourself, no? Kung nag-submit na mo, ay, ako lang sa ning ikuan ha. Tagaan ako grado so that I will know kung sino yung mga late kasi once we will extend this one, mawala na magud to ilang late. I think maka-extend magyap. Ay, di na di ay. Nadyo day, ano. Okay, sa ako sir,
Sir,
wala
pwede
pa
mo
ko.
na.
Yes, unsa man, Ricarda.
Kung answer ba katong gihatag nimo introduce yourself good nga activity. Ang first man gud nimo tong nag-live pa lang is ang imuhang gikuan didto okay gamay lang gud nga ang imuhang
Instruction.
name ang kato kulang lang gud ang instruction sir niya. Ikaw man sa
Pag-ako.
canvas na naka-portrait na siya niya ay naka-landscape na siya niya. Ang mong video is naka-portrait. Acceptable ba to sir? NFI jud ka.
Okay. It's obviously NF5 ka. Kasi ang sabi ko sa ating orientation, there will be the most detailed sa canvas. Yun yung sabi ko.
Unya sir kay
Pero don't worry, it's just ano naman, introduce yourself. So sometimes lang talaga, makinig lang talaga kayo, di ba? Eh, sabi ko, the most detailed instruction is i-post ko sa canvas. No? Yun lang, ano
unya
talaga yung,
na
yes.
lang.
Pero okay na, don't worry. Basta actually, it's introduce yourself. So, pa-perfect magyapon mo. Yun nga lang, sometimes may irita ko kaya i-message na yun. Sir, sa akong introduce yourself kay successfully submitted sa group pero pag i-open ako sa Canvas app, missing points. Okay ra ba ni? Wala pa ko nag-check actually. So maybe on Friday, we will see. So makita na po na ninyo if nabay points, no? Yes. Thank you sa consideration, sir. Karon na na consideration. Next time wala na dyan. Alangan sir kay nagbuhat magud mi daan atong video sir. Tas largo na namong send. Yeah. Largo. O nga nung maglargo man dahil mong send, di ba? Pag tanaw niyo sa canvas, namang niya kuan ba ya? Instruction. Mo lagi nang ginaingon namo na you read first before you submit, no? Dili diretso wala man ko'y paunahay. Ay do naman daytoy kuan day no time na akong gihatag jud pod. Pero murag 2 days man ang kalayuan sa ano ato, ang iyang date ay iyang ano, tawag ito? Ang iyang anong tawag ito? Basta nasa 2 days duration ba? So, chapter 1. Okay, naghimo ko karon og until 5, 4:30 lang. Say 5 na lang, 5. Tagag chance. 5 until 5 p.m. Ayaw, mairis. No, let's ano lang talaga kasi na naman mo answer. So, until 4:30 p.m. lang katong atong activity karon. Kindly send it now, as in now na. Publish ko na. Yan, it's chapter 1 activity. Kay hinay man. Alangan sir kay nagpabuhat man. Kay hinay man gud ang net na po sir, tas bas hindi makaababa sa deadline maka off. Dire pa man mi ka-open sir paghatag ni link sa klase nato. Okay, basi napa ba wala ka sunod sa nagtingin po ng live? May hindi pa pasok sa Canvas? Please let me know. And please comment doon sa community na lang, no? Or kung gusto niyo ng sa Canvas, kung gusto niyo talaga ng private. Um, wala pa kay account Cervantes. Patay na. Ang tanong ko din Cervantes, nagkuan ba ka, nag-fill up ka, nag-fill in ka tong sa G-form? Basi wala po. Saan ko ngayon inano eh? Cervantes. Cervantes, basin wala pa ka fill in ato sa G-form. Can you fill in? Para wala mo ko ka-send sa imong gud. Ah, pwede na mo out to ha. Sa live na lang mo tanaw.
Sir, sorry, sir, but you're mute.
Thank you for that. Again, transfer na ka. Hapit na mag 4:30. O lagi ako sa edit saglit lang kay announce na ako ni si uh, introduce yourself. I can see introduce yourself. Cervantes, wala jud. Cervantes, makita ang community sa kanina channel. So, you exit mo sa live, then punta ka sa channel, then click yung logo. Then on top, if you're using the cellphone, may community. So, nadikto tanan ang mga yung mga queries. I mean, yung mga announcement, no? Nasa pinakababa ata yun. Cervantes. Then, please remind me na lang. Or sometimes, dili na dyan ako, gina-consider ba yan dyan? Cervantes. Wala jud kay Cervantes dire. Then again, hindi nyo pa tinamsak yung video, again, every live po tayo, please, automatic thumbs up naman. Para di mawala tong video natin, no? Okay, if you have, 4:30, sige, gawin ko na lang 5, baka may iba na i-give na po nila ang reason na ang signal. So, I already said that one, di ba? Kung may problem talaga sa signal, please go sa area na may signal. Ay, dili ka kasubmit. Sorry, ito. Online, makalimot yun ko diri file uploads. Production. So, extend, 5. Kinsa man ni si Ungkay. Ungkay na Ungkay. Kani ba, i-kuan dyan ako ni i-update pa po na ako ang class list kay murag daghan dyan may changes. Sige na, then sir, asa po na ako i-send. Again, katong sa, ngayon lang nakapasok sa klase ko, go to my channel, no? I-click ang logo na Danway Designs. After that one, kasi ang landing page niyan is mga videos. Sa taas, click the community, no? Then sa community, andun yung mga announcement ko. Then hanapin nyo doon yung form, link sa G-form na nag-ask ako ng info sa mga student as well as yung introduce yourself andun. Then maybe tonight or tomorrow, give me time also to check if andun na ba kayo lahat sa Canvas. So unfortunately, ang ano pala no, ITC 100 ang hindi ko pa na-check sa Canvas ang account if andun na ba talaga ang mga students, no? But here comes din na may changes sa mga students, I mean classmates, may nadagdag, may natanggal. Kaya yun yung problem ko din. So okay, nothing to worry, no? Wag na mag-sorry, basta makahabol ka lang. Pero never ask, no? Since we have already activities na nahitabo naman, never ask na lang kung pwede pa magpasa. Kasi every live kasi may activity. Then please kindly review also the orientation we had last week. Nandiyan yun sa channel ko, no? It was posted para kung sino man yung mahuli, maka-review. Tingnan nyo talaga para next time hindi na kayo magtanong-tanong. Okay? Yes, I already set it up to 5 p.m. And maka-upload na dyan mo. Okay? Okay, I think we are all done. Sayang yung time kasi yung mga queries. Sige. Yes, thank you so much for coming in. Again, don't forget to thumbs up. So again, this Friday, wala po tayong pasok because it's a special non-working holiday because it's a town fiesta, no? But prepare for a makeup class. Magkakaroon tayo ng makeup class, no? When you say makeup class, natay time na magklase sa dili atong schedule dyan, no? Mangita tag vacant time. Kaya, yun nga sabi ko, we have this habulin natin yung subject. Okay? Okay, thank you and goodbye everyone. Thank you for coming. See you on Monday.
Thank you and goodbye, sir.
Thank you, Giselle, and isa gini isa.
Rainia.
Rainia. Huwag mo nagpakita sa yung now. Patingin, David.
May camera ang laptop, sir.
Okay, gabi ko lang. Ang laptop ko yung camera. Magpalit yung isa para katong embedded. Di ba? Natin natunan, embedded computer. Yan. But it's not embedded. Live man dito embedded computer. Sige, you can out na. Thank you. Thank you. Please update sa community for announcements or special ano ba, special cases. Pag-mention ako ang mga badlungon. Okay, bye for now and thank you for coming on. Be safe and be cool. Bye.
Bye,